Why Trump stock trades are raising questions. Thousands of stock trades tied to Donald Trump are suddenly raising eyebrows. Recent financial reports revealed large amounts of trading activity connected to investments involving some of America's biggest companies, and now, people are asking questions. Is this completely normal, just smart investing? Or is there something bigger people are missing? Because whenever politics, money, and power intersect, attention follows quickly. Reports recently highlighted thousands of stock market trades connected to investment accounts tied to Donald Trump. According to public filings, these investments included shares in some of America's largest companies. Supporters argue this reflects ordinary financial management. Critics say the timing and scale naturally raise public questions. When powerful political figures are connected to major investments, public interest tends to increase quickly. This is because presidents and senior leaders often have access to information, economic briefings, and geopolitical developments before the general public. Even when no wrongdoing is alleged, transparency becomes an important issue. Political leaders having investments is not unusual. In fact, financial disclosures are required for many public officials. Blind trusts, asset managers, and financial advisors are often used to reduce conflicts of interest. Supporters of Trump argue these systems exist specifically to prevent improper influence over investment decisions. The questions largely come down to perception. When investment activity appears unusually large or happens during politically sensitive moments, public curiosity naturally grows. In politics, even legal activity can become controversial if people believe there may be conflicts between public responsibility and personal financial benefit. The stock market often reacts to government policy. Trade decisions, taxes, tariffs, military spending, technology regulation, and economic announcements can move billions of dollars to value almost instantly. Because of this connection, financial transparency involving major political figures receives enormous attention. Donald Trump has long been associated with business, real estate, branding, and wealth. Unlike many politicians, his image has often been deeply connected to financial success. This naturally causes more public focus whenever reports involving investments, money, or economic decisions appear. Supporters argue there is nothing unusual happening. They point out that many wealthy individuals use financial managers, investment firms, and diversified portfolios. Some also argue that public figures often receive extra scrutiny simply because of media, tension, and political division. Critics, however, believe transparency matters more than ever when politics and financial markets overlap. Some ask whether greater disclosure should exist for leaders connected to large investments. Others argue public trust depends on making sure political power never creates unfair financial advantages. At its core, this debate goes beyond Trump alone. It raises broader questions about money, politics, influence, and transparency in modern democracies. As governments become more connected to markets and global economies, many people wonder where the line between politics and finance should exist. Online reactions have been sharply divided. Some people see the reports as perfectly normal financial activity, while others believe deeper questions deserve answers. Like many political stories today, public opinion often depends on perspective. So, is this a genuine controversy, or simply another example of politics generating headlines? The answer may depend on how much transparency people expect from leaders, and whether trust in institutions continues changing over time. So while the headlines focus on stock trades tied to Trump, the bigger question may be something larger. How much financial transparency should powerful leaders have? Because in a world where politics and money increasingly overlap, public curiosity is unlikely to disappear anytime soon.